In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom webinars with Hubspot. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process in just a few minutes, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools and enhance your virtual event management and marketing efforts. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage, which is where our journey begins. You can easily find this site by typing HubSpot into your browser search bar or visiting hubspot.com directly. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Sign In button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. If you're already signed into HubSpot, this will take you to your dashboard. If not, simply enter your credentials and log in as you normally would. Now that you're at the HubSpot home, look for the Marketplace icon. This icon is your gateway to the HubSpot app Marketplace, where you can find a plethora of integrations that can help you extend the functionality of HubSpot. This icon might have a grid or a plug symbol depending on HubSpot's most recent updates, so be sure to take a moment to locate it. Once you've clicked on the Marketplace icon, you'll want to click on Apps. This section houses all of the third-party apps you can integrate with your HubSpot account. Here, we're specifically looking for Zoom, so either scroll through the list or use the search feature to find it quickly. After you've found Zoom, go ahead and click on it. You should be directed to a dedicated page where you can learn more about what this specific integration can do, such as syncing your Zoom webinar registrations and attendees with HubSpot automatically. These features are incredibly useful for managing contacts and ensuring your marketing campaigns are data-driven and efficient. The final step in our process is to click on Install App. During the installation process, HubSpot may ask for permissions to access certain data from your Zoom account. Be sure to review these permissions carefully, and if everything looks good, proceed to grant access. Once the integration is complete, you should have a seamless connection between Zoom and HubSpot. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully synced your Zoom account with HubSpot, paving the way for better management of your webinars and marketing campaigns. This integration can help save you time and effort by automating processes, allowing you to focus more on engaging your audience and less on manual tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Happy syncing!